Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, I am going to fry the chicken liver first, and I'm going to add this one. Got this one. This is the chicken liver now. I'm going to fry this first until they became brown, and I really like to eat the chicken liver. This one. And I want to add the salt and pepper. And then later on, I am going to transfer it here to the other pot. And I'm going to add this one, the meat that I have to slice first and wash or done properly, or done big and Swedish properly. So this will be a good dinner for me, and so I want to cook this one properly, the chicken liver. So while I am frying this one, I want to introduce you my favorite snacks. I bought this one in the mall. This is strawberry, the flavor. I really love it. I love this. My snacks is often. So I have to wait a couple of minutes before I am going to transfer this one there. So see you later again. I will wait for a couple minutes for a while. Bye bye. And thank you for watching me here. Bye bye everyone. See you later with this chicken liver. Bye bye. Hey dog.